What is up, guys? It is Vizec here, and there has been a controversy lately that the iPhone 7 has a hissing sound coming from the back of it. Now, even though I do not have an iPhone 7 on me right now, I have a 4S, a 5, a 6, and a 6S. All these phones still make hissing sounds. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's start this procedure out with some baselines, okay? So first we're going to see what the phone sounds like. Just turned off, idle, not do anything. Then we are going to move on to a test where a video is playing, which the controversy states that's when it makes the most sound. Well, first of all, we actually, with this phone, the screen doesn't work, so we are just going to have to test this phone out without any video playing. Now first, we will do the 6S. And what we'll do is we will get all these phones out of here so there's no interference in the video. So we are just going to start out with the 6S. Now, onto the test with the video. Okay, first we have the 6S. Take it, flip it over. If you're really interested in this, and you do have an iPhone, I suggest you go into a quiet room and actually listen for yourself, because as you can see from this test, all the phones make the sound. The 7 might sound a little louder than the 6S, but the main basis of this video was to show you guys that all phones make this sound, whether or not they're the newest or not. I really wanted to get an Android in here and see if I could hear the sound for myself. Sadly, I couldn't. Feel free to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and yeah, peace. One more thing I forgot to discuss. I got this new camera in called the Contour Roam. It is the Contour Roam 3. Previously, it had a really bad camera, so this will change it. This camera is way better and I'm able to strap it where I want.